Thank you for buying this 21940-30 mountain art from Fixture Displays. You will receive 3 different pieces as shown here, and later on we have dimensions on these as well. These are made from carbon steel powder coated black. In this 21940 series, we have a large selection of different metal arts. We have dogs, a variety of different dog species, and cats, along with persons, abstract art, plants, and natural objects, such as this selection of 3 beautiful mountains. One may find other uses, such as organized business cards, postcards, or even larger prints. I do encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. If you have a question or have a custom art to make, we love that opportunity to quote you. Email us. Our email address is cscharliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Now remember, this made from metal, but the sheet metal is not super thick. In other words, you could bend that to shape if you so desire. Now, these two nest together nicely, just ships in a fairly small box. This also makes a perfect gift for someone as a housewarming gift, or someone got a new job. It's just a wonderful piece of material that brings peace and harmony in your mind. I hope you like us. Subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.